Hello, hello. Good morning, InfoComm. Anthony Castillo, Senior Director here at Rightech. Rightech is a national staffing solution providing local labor resources to our partner integrators for everyone they ever need help on project sites, whether it be in integration services, programming, commissioning services. We have vets that are locally stationed throughout the country, providing those local resources. You can definitely find us on our website for any information at www.rightech.net. That's once again www.rightech with one T.net. If you have any other needs, feel free to email me at acastillo@rightech.net as well, or find us on LinkedIn. I hope you can come by. We're over here in the North Hall at N 7955, right next to the pitch. Come by and see us when you get a chance.